Walter Mata.
Ay, mapilis din pala yun. Kuya! Oh my God! Why not scary? The ball's going up and down! Kaya naman, bababa na kayo. Am I right? Emma, you're going down again.
Dapat kayo na kayo nilabas.
Left to right? Up? Namin. I want to go there. You're supposed to have one in stop.
Kasi nag-die ako, kulitan na ako. Hindi kumakay.
Ay, sayang, Benero. You want to go there?
Hindi pa pwede dahil naka-ano naman siya, t-shirt naman siya.
Boy, Kuya Ray. You want to ride ship? Remember the Ferris wheel?
Kasi hold tight.
Pumayat siya, no?
Don't move.
Kumangkad siya kasi. That's scary. No, it's not.
Ito yung kaklase ni Ember, di ba nung
Opo.
summer class?
Summer. You wanna ride this? No, that's scary.
Ay, ito, dikit mo na lang dito.
Ay, oh my God.
Kasi dumidikit ka.
Ha?
Aeroplano. Tagalog na Tagalog. Ay, nako. Okay, ready, ready. Hold tight. Hold tight. Yan. Ayan na. And, magbaba na ba? Sasakay si Mami. Ito lang. Mas takot pa si Mami eh. Ikaw lang ha. Bibigyan na lang namin yung pagkain dyan. Joke lang.